attacked in church at St. Stephen's. We came to court today and the court has made its ruling. The court has disappointed the DCI. The devil has been ashamed.
Amen.
One time. The court has freed the 8 innocent Kenyans. The file has been closed. No charge should be pressed against them. Those are the instructions of the court.
One time.
We've spoken clearly on specific articles of the Constitution. Article 49(1)(a) on a right to bail, which should be granted. Article 52(a) on the doctrine of innocence till the contrary is proved. Article 29 on the right to liberty. Article 157(11) on the role of the DPP in promoting public confidence and trust, which they've eroded. Article 52 on a right to fair trial. These accused persons were detained. Actually, the arrested persons, there is no plea that they've taken. The arrested persons were arrested on the 13th day of July. The prosecution asked for more days to do investigations. One of the reasons that they gave was that an ID parade was supposed to be conducted. Yet, they're alleging that they arrested the arrested person